Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow custom. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Hey guys, today we're going to show you an easy way to test your Harley-Davidson coil to see if it's good or bad. I've got this coil here. This is a known good coil. We know this coil is good because it's brand new in the box, so we know it's going to check out. In order to check the primary winding of the coil using your inexpensive auto parts store multimeter, you don't need some fancy fluke meter. Go to your parts store and buy one of these. Set your meter to the lowest setting for ohms to check the primary circuit of your coil, primary winding. And simply make sure your meter leads are good. I'm seeing some resistance on my meter right now. It's showing 0.3. You just touch the two leads together when you're in the ohms feature. And to do the primary winding, you're just going to go to the 2 points where you hook up the wires. And what you should see is the resistance of the coil you're testing. This is a 3 ohm coil, and I'm seeing 3.2. The extra 0.2 is the resistance of the wires. In order to check the secondary winding, because basically all your coil is 2 sets of wound wires connected on the ends internally. So to check the secondary, you're going to reset your meter to 20K ohms. This is very important because if you leave it on the first setting or some other setting that's not correct, you're going to get a reading that doesn't make sense. Let's just give it a whirl and see what we see. I'm seeing 17.8. That's a good reading. It's telling me that the winding inside the coil is connected. If you see either 0 ohms or infinity on your meter when you're doing either one of these two tests, that's an indication that the winding is either broken or shorted. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Todd's Tech Tip Quickies.